Good morning students. So in previous class we were discussing the lesson number 6, that is clothes VVR. Okay, and so in this lesson we were discussing about different types of clothes for the different seasons. So we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. For example, we wear raincoat in the monsoon season, we wear woolen clothes in winter season, and we wear silk clothes on the special occasions. Okay, and next we wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Is it? So like this we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. According to the seasons we wear clothes. Okay, and today we are going to discuss what are clothes made of. What are clothes made of? It means how does the clothes made of, by what? Okay, so first clothes are made of fiber. Okay, the clothes are made of fiber. Made of fiber. So these clothes are made of fiber. Okay, so most of the fiber we are used comes from plants and animals. So most of the fibers how we are getting the most of the fibers from the animals and from the plants also. Okay, so most of the fiber we are getting from the plants and animals. So ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫೈಬರ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ, ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನೂ ನಮಗೆ ಫೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ fibers we are getting from plants and some of the fibers we are getting from the animals. Okay, so cotton clothes, first one about cotton clothes, how you are getting the cotton fiber. Okay, so cotton comes from the cotton plant. Cotton comes from the, I told you that we wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Yes, so how we are getting that cotton? By the cotton plant. Okay, so we are getting cotton from the cotton plant. Okay, so next, so this is used to make clothes. Yes, cotton used to make clothes. To make clothes we use cotton, and weavers weave cotton thread into clothes on looms that are operated by hands or electricity. Weavers in the sense the one who weave the fiber. It means he is a worker who made the clothes by using the cotton fiber on the looms. In the sense it's a kind of machine. It's a kind of machine which we use to make the clothes. So it is by those looms are on hands or electricity, different from any other, different in all other. Okay, so first one we are getting cotton from cotton plant, and what is the use of cotton? We use it to make the clothes. Okay, so next we will discuss about the wool. I told you that we wear woolen clothes. Yes, when we wear woolen clothes in the winter season. So how we are getting wool? How we are getting this wool? We are getting wools. Wool come from the body hair of sheep. You can see a sheep animal is there. Yes, animal is there, sheep. We are getting wool from that animal, from the hair of that animal. ಈ ಶ್ರೀಪ್ ಕೂದಲಿಂದ ನಾವೇನು ಪಡಿತೀವಿ? ವೂಲನ್ನು ಪಡಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ wool? It is used to make woolen clothes. Same, to make woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. Okay, we use this wool to make woolen clothes. Okay, so ಏನು ಈ woolen ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? woolen clothes ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so this is about wool. See, first one, what are clothes made of? Clothes are made of fiber. Okay, so there are many kinds of fibers like wool, you can say. Okay, and next what is that? Cotton is there. So most of the fibers we are getting from the plants and animals. Some of the fibers we are getting from the animals, and some other types of fibers we are getting from animals or plants. So first one, cotton. How we are getting cotton? We are getting cotton from the cotton plant. Okay, and what is the use of this cotton? We use it to make the cotton clothes. Next, wool is there. How we are getting wool? We are getting wool from the hair of the sheep. From the hair of the sheep. And what is the use of this wool? We use it to make the woolen clothes which we wear in the winter season. Okay, so next is about leather. See, what is that? Leather. So how we are getting leathers? Leather is also used to make jackets. So what for we use this leather? To make the jackets and other items. To make jackets and other items. Okay, and such as shoes. Like what? Shoes. Okay, and next sandals. ಲೆದರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದರ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಶೂಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಲೆದರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆದರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೆದರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡೆಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. Skin of dead animals. Skin of dead animals in the sense ಸತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಣಿನ ಚರ್ಮದಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಲೆದರ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಫೆಲೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಎನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ buffaloes and snakes. These are the two examples. Still many examples are there. You know other examples, but these two are enough. By using the dead buffaloes and the snakes skin, we prepare the leather. Okay, so this is about leather. The next one is silk. So how we are getting silk? Silk comes from the silkworm. Silk comes from silkworm. Silkworm ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನೈತಿ? ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಒಂದು ಹುಳ ಐತಿ. ಆ ಹುಳದಿಂದ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ವರ್ಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪನ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್, ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್? Silk cloth. We use this silk to make the silk clothes that we wear on the special occasions. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಒಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ದಿನ ನಾವು ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಆ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆದರ್. ಎಸ್, ವಿ use the leather to make the jackets and other items like shoes and sandals. And how we are getting the leather? We are getting the leather from the skin of dead animals like buffaloes and snakes. So next one, silk. How we are getting silk? We are getting silk from the silkworm. And what is the use of silkworm? we make or prepare the silk clothes from the silkworm. Okay. So this is it for today. Tomorrow we will discuss different kinds of clothes. Different kinds of clothes are like policeman wear different kinds of clothes. Next, doctor wear some kinds of different clothes. Is it? Next, a kid uniform, school uniform is different kind of cloth. Many kinds of clothes are there that we will discuss in the tomorrow's class.